Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nenye Abraham, and I happen to be your mathematics teacher for this day. We have started a series of lessons, and then we are on a topic set. And this evening, we are continuing with set equations. Set equations. This is a topic, and so we wouldn't waste much time. We'll be solving questions because the previous video we did explanation to certain things and we don't want to waste much time here. Sorry. Now, examples. We'll solve questions until we feel that this is okay. Examples. 1. The first example we shall look at is root of x squared plus 7 equal to 4. Root of x squared plus 7 equal to 4. And we want to solve this. Solution. What you do is that this is very simple, so we don't waste much time. Since it is a square root, there's no way to go without what squaring both sides. So if you're having root of x squared plus 7 equal to 4, what you do is that you square both sides. This square will cancel the root sign. You get x squared plus 7 equal to 16. Now group like terms. You group like terms. Grouping like terms. You're going to get x squared is equal to 16 minus 7, and then to be x squared is equal to 9. Now you find a root of this side and root of this side, so this will be x. The root sign will cancel the square root, which will give you plus or minus 3. So from here we test to see if our equation is correct. So you substitute both of the answers, which is plus or minus x, which is equals to plus or minus 3. Substitute them into the equation. In the first equation we have 3 square plus 7 is equal to 4, because we have taken the positive side of the 3, which will give us 9 plus 7, which is 4, and this is correct, which is root of 16, which will give us 4, which is equals to 4. Now if you pick minus a root of 3, it will still be minus 3 square plus 7, and then this will give us root of what? 9 plus 7. This will still give us what the same 4, which is root of 16, which will give us what? 4. So our answers to the equations is correct. Our answers to the equations, the two answers, are all correct. The second question we shall look at is example 2. X plus root of x plus 3 is equal to 3. Now we do what we call grouping of like terms. Grouping of like terms. like terms. Now if you group like terms, you're going to get x plus 3 equal to 3 minus x. Now you see, you you now square both sides of your equation. And if you square the side, the root sign will cancel the square root, which will give you x plus 3 is equal to, now we have learned this in the previous lesson, how to expand this, and you are going to get 9 plus x square, 9 plus x square, then it will be minus 6x. So writing this, regrouping like terms again to solve these equations for x, what you get is x square minus 5x minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Oh, sorry. So sending, we first have x square, and then you send this one to this side, it will be 7x rather, not 5x. It will become negative when you send it across. Then sending this one across becomes negative, then it will be 6. And it will be 6. Now we are looking for factors of what? 6. Factors of 6 that if you add them, you get negative 7. If you multiply them, you get what? 6. So we all know that this will be what? Minus what? 6 minus 1. These are the factors. If you multiply them, you get 6. If you add them, you get minus 7. So this will be x squared minus what? It's a quadratic, so we are solving it quadratically. X squared minus x, then minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can rewrite this as x squared minus x plus minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Factorizing this, you are going to get x out, x minus 1. Then here you factorize what? Minus 6 out. Minus 6, you get x minus 1 equal to 0. This will give us x minus 6, x minus 1 equal to 0. Your x is equal to 6 or 1. Now let's test if which of them is correct when you put them into our equations. We had the equation to be x plus root of x plus 3. So this implies that if you pick x to be 6, it will be 6 plus root of what? 6 plus 3. And this will be 9. 9. So when you solve this, it is 9. So when you solve this, you're going to get what? 9 again. Now when you pick, that is taking x equal to 6. Now taking x equal to 1. If you take x equal to 1, it will be what? 1 plus root of 1 plus 3. Now if you solve this, it will imply that 1 plus what? 2, which is equal to 3. And we can all see that the the second term, which is x equal to 1 here. Hence, x equal to 1 is the solution since it satisfies the equation. So hence, then you write your answer as hence x equal to 1 is the solution since it's satisfying the equation. Now let's solve our last example. Let's solve, that is example 3, right? Root of 5x minus 4 minus root of x plus 8 equal to 2. Regrouping this, we are going to get root of 5x minus 4 equal to 2 plus root of, that is sending the whole of this term, which is negative root of x plus 8, to this side. You get plus x plus 8. When you regroup it, this is what you get. Now you square both sides. Square both sides. When you square both sides, it will be root of 5x root of 5x minus 4 square is equal to 2 plus root of x plus 8 all squared. Now this will cancel this, the square will cancel the root sign, and we are going to get 5x minus 4 being equal to, let's solve this binomials. This multiplied by this, you are going to get 4. You square the first term, square the second term. Let's square the second term plus x plus 8. Then you take this multiply through, so it will be 4 multiplied by root of x plus 8. This is the answer so far. So when you simplify this, it will be 5x minus 4 is equal to 12 plus x plus 4 root of x plus 8. Now let's group like terms and see. When you group like terms, this will come here, this will go this side, or let's send all this of this to this side. So it will be 5x minus x minus 4 minus 12 equal to 4 root of x plus 8. Now this will give us 4x minus 16 equal to 4 root of x plus 8. We are looking for x. From here you can square this side, square this side. You are going to get 16x squared x squared minus 128 minus 128 x plus 256 is equal to 16x plus, sorry, 16x multiplying x plus 8. That is if you simplify. That is if you simplify. So when you get this, the next step will be 16x squared minus 128x plus 256 equal to 16x plus 128. Let's further simplify. That is by grouping of like terms to be 16x squared, take this one to this side, minus 144x, taking this 16 to be minus, so you add it to this, you get 144. Then bring this one, subtract, it will be plus 128 equal to 0. Now what you do next is you cancel out, and you know 16 can go through all of them. When you cancel out, you get x squared minus 9x plus 8 is equal to 0, which becomes your quadratic equation. It becomes your quadratic equation. And then you solve your quadratic. Which x squared minus 9x plus 8. We have done a lot of quadratic. I wouldn't waste much time solving the quadratic. You're going to get x minus 1, x minus 8 equal to 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 8. And when you, let's verify our equation, which of them satisfy the equation. Now let's take x equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, you are going to get 5 when x is equal to 1, you are going to get 5 minus 4 minus root of 1 plus 8, which the answer is equals to minus 2. Then when x is equal to 8, it will be 40 minus 4, or under a root sign, then 8 plus 8, also all under a root sign, which will give us what? 2. So looking at our first, the equation given, we can see that 8 is the right, 8 x equals to 8 satisfy the what? The equation. So you say that hence x equal to 8 is the solution. Is a solution since it satisfies the original equation. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. This happens to be the last lesson for the topic set, and Thank you for following me up to now. God bless you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.